Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Coach's Heart channel, where tonight I'm going to show you how to update your profile picture for your professional email. So these are the email addresses that are coming from your Google Workspace. So when you're using our platform, you will need to set up a Google Workspace to connect everything. And this was driving me absolutely crackers because I had the picture in my profile updated, but it wasn't showing up on my emails. So if you're watching this, chances are you're having the same problem. So there are a few things you need to know about this. First of all, we need to be in the actual admin console. So I've got 3 different email addresses for Coach's Heart, and the main account is under hello@coachesheart.com. So I've gone to that account. And the very first thing you need to do as an admin is manage your users. So go from the home, manage admin. And then what we want to do is go more options and allow users to edit profile. And then tick all your boxes and hit save. And then what you need to do is be in your actual profile where you want to update the pictures from. So for me, it's cat@coachesheart.com. So then from that account, you want to go to myaccount.google.com. If it doesn't load for you, just do a Google search, my account Google, and it'll come up as your top option. So then click on that. Friends, you can see here, this is like my free Gmail account, but I have other profiles on this computer. And if I come over here to the account that I wanted to update, up in this right-hand corner, I'm logged in as cat@coachesheart.com. So you need to make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. So to do that, if you haven't done that already, click on the little circle top right-hand side, and you can add an account down here and then sign in. Now, for me, I already had this picture loaded. I'd worked out how to do this part, but it just wasn't showing up in my email. So load your picture by clicking here on the camera, upload your picture, but here's where I went wrong. I didn't have this setting. Mine was set to only people I interact with. Therefore, it wasn't showing up on the email. So you need to make sure that this anyone box is marked and hit save. And voila, it will be showing up in your emails when you send emails out. So hopefully that's helped. If it's helped, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and things to help you grow your coaching business. And I'll be back with some more tutorials soon. Thanks for watching.